The Advanced Certificate course in Game Design and Development at FX School brings students up to speed on the most widely used game engines for PC and mobile gaming and for AR and VR development.
The course is structured so that student having no background in making a game can create his own individual game after completion of the course. The student can learn most of the important skills which are essential to game productions.
We teach two gaming engines. We teach Unity and we teach Unreal. And these two are the most common gaming engines out there. Unity is used for games that we develop for mobiles predominantly, and Unreal is used for PCs and consoles, and it could be vice versa as well.
I teach how to make games using Unity game engine. Right in the beginning, you learn the basics of user interface, how to navigate around in the engine in order to make your own games. You learn how to create a cinematic cutscene in order to narrate your story. Then you learn how to design a level in such a way so that the player can achieve the game objectives. And finally, you learn how to optimize your game so that it is a similar experience for each and every player. The fun part is creating augmented reality and virtual reality projects.
I teach the Unreal Engine, and I teach how to program, all right, but without writing complex codes, because there's a thing called blueprints, which is visual scripting, where you actually connect nodes. So you're actually programming, but without using the complex code, and you can make a game just by the knowledge of blueprints.
Basically, I help my students to get their exact look and feel. I help them how to do the research, proper research. Later on, I just train them how to make textures ready. So incorporate those textures and shaders inside gaming engine. And later on, how to add a lot of post effect, where you will get glare, then bloom. Sometimes, the flowing water, you have a lot of shimmering effect. So all those things, gaming engine tackle differently than CG. So I teach all those things, and it really helps them to get their final look.
The global gaming industry is worth over $100 billion and it is rapidly growing every year. There are over 100 game development organizations in India already, and also there is a rising demand for professionals in this field, from artists to developers to designers. This is an exciting time as there are so many opportunities in this field.